Hey, Edwin here from Resolutions Design, creating yet another video on how to add wholesale or the proper way to add wholesale. I want to show this application to you. I'm trying to see if I can increase the screen here. Okay, so we were hired by a client that was very much interested in improving their wholesale. They want to offer a diversity on wholesale, and for some companies, this works out very well because it allows you to sell in bulks and it allows you to encourage loyal clients to purchase and purchase and purchase from you in higher bulks. And what you do in return is that you give them a discount based on the more that they purchase, etc. So this particular business, they sell retail, right? They typically sell to retail, but again, it's to encourage wholesale buyers. So if you're in this industry of, whatever this is here, with the cosmetology, they want you to just buy a whole bunch, right? You buy one just to start off with, and then if you really like it, come back and buy a whole bunch and get a discount off of it for whatever purpose is it that you are going to sell it with. Anyways, so here's what the client told us. I'm going to share a business strategy which will benefit you guys, okay? So they're like, look, we want to set it up so that people who have spent a lifetime amount of $1,500 in our store, we want to make them like, let's say, a bronze or silver, like a silver member, right? And by spending this much money with us, they're going to get a 5% discount going on forward, right? But if they spend a lifetime with us of 2,500, then they become like a gold member. And gold member is going to benefit on any future purchases 10% off. And if they have a lifetime spendage of 5,000, then we're going to give them a platinum status and they're going to save 15% on all purchases. Now, of course, they don't. The beauty of all this is that they don't have to add a discount code. This is something that's just automatically added into their website. So this is very good. Now, mind you, today's date, right? Whatever you see on this video, this company could change by the time you're watching it. Who knows? But the purpose of this video is to show you how you could benefit and what is the app to do so. Okay. So the app that we're talking about is Bold, right? Bold custom pricing and wholesale. I left a link on the description so that you guys could see. You click on it, you try it out to see if it works out for you. And if you notice that it's making you money, then it's worth the investment. Otherwise, if you say, oh, well, I'm not getting enough visitors and people are not buying wholesale, then just take it off before the trial ends. And then that way you're not committed to any, financial burden, right? Okay, so this is one of their challenges that we helped fix. The other challenge that I'm also going to show in this video is price breaks, saying, look, you don't have to be technically a wholesale whatever member, rather if it's silver, gold, or platinum. You don't have to commit to that. But we'll tell you what, if you buy one, we're just going to sell it to you at retail price, right? But if you buy three, we're going to give you 5% off, right? If you buy six, we're going to give you 10% off. If you buy 12, we're going to give you 15% off. You might be wondering, you're like, wait, so what's the purpose of doing this then? Because I'm getting a similar percentage off going over here. Well, the reason why they're doing that is because if you do this and you're a lifetime spender in that store, they're going to concatenate the discounts. They're going to combine it together, folks. So that is a beautiful thing. And the more savings, then the better, right? They said, look, we don't want to apply it to every product, right? We have tons of different products. We don't want to offer this discount to each and every one of them. We have a list of, which products we want to give at these discounts. And Bold allows us to do all of that. Let's go ahead and actually see it in action. So as you can see with their site, they have like products and almost everything is on sale, or they have a very good offer going on, right? If I go to this particular one, the only savings that I'm going to get based off of this product is this. Okay, I'm saving, $2, right? It is what it is, and I don't have to commit hardcore. But this is belonging to the collection that I was showing you. This is just a standard regular product. So whichever way you look at it, you're still saving $2, no matter if you buy one or whatever. right? Or if you buy 3, it doesn't change, okay? But let's go to a product that does in fact belong into this category. Let's go to a product that's in the shellac colors. You see this right here, shellac colors? So shellac colors is the collection. Let's go over here to shellac. Okay, shellac colors. All right, and let's see what that collection has to offer. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Remember, it already has a savings, right? Like you have a retail price and then you have a sales price. So you're already saving $1. But get this. This is the magic of the Bold app, which encourages wholesale. It says, yo, buy one, $15.95. And remember, we started at $15.95 against the $16.95. So off the bat, you're already saving $1 just by simply buying one. But further into the $15.95, if you buy 3, we'll drop it down to $15.15 each. Okay, so let's go ahead and see this to see if it's true. We're gonna go ahead and add this into the cart. And right here, guys, it's a beta cart that asked us to design, how do you call it? A custom cart page, something that is very, very clear. And of course, you can hire us to do this as well. But we felt that with this design, we're giving the client or whoever's shopping the maximum visual experience as to how much they're saving. We don't want to confuse the clients on how much they're saving, right? So check this out, $15.95, it's only one. There's no bulk discount, but there's only an on sale discount. What does on sale mean? On sale is that the retail price, remember, it was like, because it's on sale for $15.95, then so far total savings is simply $1. And that's what this is. The total savings combined is just $1, right? But let's go ahead and increase this to 3 products. So by doing so, now we have $15.15 each. Where bulk discount explains it here, you're saving $2.40 plus the combined on sale discount is $3, which if you add these 2 up, you're totally saving $5.40 on this order. Now, mind you, you're not a wholesale buyer yet. All you're simply doing is going to a collection that has this feature, right? And you're adding 3 or quantity, whatever. And then the discount starts going up. Let's see what happens if I go to, what's the other tier? If I go to 6, it only allows, 4 items left. So it seems like they're limited on the actual products here. So that's why, purchasing with these guys at a discount really, people really take advantage. But for this one, I couldn't put it 6 because they're limiting the inventory. And so I can't see it here. But I'm sure that if you visit this website and you try to play around, okay. So that's what this means. And this is something that's very powerful. Again, it's from Bold. The link is on the description, right? Let's go ahead and look at the other experience, okay? Let's put this back to 3. All right, let's say is, well, what happens if I am a wholesale buyer, right? If I am like, one of those people who spend X amount of dollars or XYZ, right? So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and log in into the account, and then I'm gonna go back into this cart right here, and then I am going to check this out. Now I notice that there is an even further discount, okay? So it's now the price dropped to $14.36 for just 3 because I have a heavier discount on just purchasing 3 products. The membership of this account would be somewhere along the 10% discount. Okay, on top of the on sale discount, which brings the total savings to sending the total combined price of $43.08. This is very exciting, especially if you have those loyal clients who always love to buy from you. If you go into your customers in the back end, you're going to notice that there's going to be people that either buy just one or they buy a bunch. And those that buy a bunch, you want to reach out to them after you install this and tell them, hey, we just made you a platinum member or we just made you a gold member because you spent in our store over $2,500. And because of that, from now on, every time you come back to our store, you will indefinitely get 15% off. No discount code. They're going to be like, what? They're going to go to that email and they're just going to jump into the store and they're going to see if it's true and they're going to go ahead and start buying from me, okay? This is Edwin again from Resolutions Design. And again, thank you for all of those subscribers. The whole purpose that I'm making this video is because I'm seeing more and more subscribers jump on. I'm seeing that you guys are commenting, and it's because of that reason that I'm making more and more videos. If it wasn't for you guys commenting or pressing the like button or just saying anything, like I'll be honest with you, really straight up, like I'll be like, I don't want to make videos, right? But because you guys are like subscribing, commenting, notification bells and all that, I'm like, wow, these people really want videos. And I'm like, okay, that's it. I'm gonna start giving these guys content because you guys are helping me. And so this is just me giving that back. Again, if you have any questions, put it down in the comments. I'm willing to help. And thanks again.